succulent plants of the earth that usually survive for many years. They are woody plants that attain a height of about 4.5 meters after reaching full maturity and are found all over the world in high numbers. All trees have some basic environmental value and provide us with many benefits, such as producing oxygen, purifying the atmosphere, conserving water, preventing soil erosion, giving habitat to a wide variety of insects, birds, and animals. In short, trees help to maintain the balance of nature. There are three main parts of a tree. They are crown, trunk, and roots. The crown is at the top of the tree. It consists of leaves, branches, and twigs. The crown filters dust and other particles from the air. The leaves produce food for the tree through photosynthesis. The trunk or stem of a tree supports the crown and gives the tree its shape and strength. The trunk consists of some layers. The layers carry water and minerals up from the roots to the leaves, and they are carry sugar down from the leaves to the branches, trunk, and roots. Trees' roots absorb water and nutrients from soil, store sugar, and hold the tree upright in the ground. Some roots can go down more than 4 meters. 1. Roots. Roots are the underground part of a tree. The primary roots are tap roots, grow horizontally downwards, with lateral roots arising from the taproot. Each root is surrounded by many tiny root hairs that increase their area of absorption. Functions: anchoring the tree to the soil, absorbing water and minerals from the soil, storing of reserve food, preventing soil erosion. 2. Crown. They are the topmost portion of a tree that may vary widely based on their shapes and size. The crown is made up of the following parts. 1. Leaves. Usually the green part of a plant that remains attached to the crown. Leaves are also known as the factories of a tree. A collection of green leaves is called foliage. 2. Branches. The first thick branches of a tree arising from the center wooden axis are called boughs, while the small terminal branches of a tree are known as twigs. 3. Flowers. The most colorful and attractive part of the plant that remains attached to the terminal branches. It later develops into a fruit. 4. Fruit. The edible part of the plant that develops from the flowers. It contains the seed that gives rise to a new plant. Functions: leaves produce for the plant. Leaves help to filter dust and other particles present in the air, thus keep the air clean. Leaves keep the plant cool through the loss of water by evaporation. Twigs help to give rise to new plants. Boughs and branches store food materials in the form of sugar that are required by the plant for their growth and metabolism. Boughs and branches provide strength and support the plant. The trunk is the central wooden axis of the crown that is typically brownish. They contain a network of small tubes that runs between the roots and the leaves, thus acting as the plumbing system in the plant. A typical tree trunk shows 6 parts. 1. Outer bark. The outermost layer of the trunk, branches and twigs of the tree. The bark of some plants has a characteristic odor and scent. 2. Cambium. The thin layer of living tissues consisting of growing cells that are present just inside the bark. Every season that add a new layer to its trunk, thus producing a visible annual growth ring in most trees. 3. Sapwood or xylem. The youngest layers of wood that are made up of a network of living cells. Over 3 years, the inner layers of sapwood form. 4. Hardwood. The older ended xylem cells found close to the center of the trunk and thus are usually darker than xylem. They are filled with stored sugar or animals and berries. 5. Pith. The tiny dark spot present at the center of the tree trunk that is highly protected from damage by wind, insects, and animals. 6. Inner bark or pulp. The pipeline located between the outer bark and the cambium of the tree trunk. Functions: bark protect the delicate inside wood of the tree. Cambium helps in making new cells, thus allowing the tree to grow in diameter. Outer bark and sapwood helps in supporting the crown and providing the tree its shapes. Pith and sapwood conducts water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Inner bark transport the foods prepared by the leaves to all parts of a plant. Outer bark and cambium provide mechanical strength to the plant.